Here the question is, an element X has the FCC structure and the unit cell edge length is 400 picometer. We need to calculate the density of X and the number of unit cell in 4 grams of X. We have the equation to calculate the density of a unit cell. D is equal to Zm divided by A cube into Na. Here Z is the number of atoms in one unit cell, M is the atomic mass of the substance, A is the edge length, and Na is the Avogadro number. In an FCC structure, the number of atoms Z will be 4 and the atomic mass M is given as 40 and the edge length of the unit cell is 400 picometer. Now we can substitute all these values in this equation and we will get the density of the unit cell, that is equal to 4.15 gram per centimeter cube. Now we need to find out the number of unit cell, that is equal to the total number of atoms divided by 4, because one unit cell is containing 4 atoms. Now we can write the number of unit cell, that is equal to 4 by 40 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 whole divided by 4, and the final answer is 1.5 into 10 raised to 22. That is the number of unit cells in 4 grams of X.